Is it the right time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into the QQQ ETF. We initially published a report on our website on Thursday, November 30th, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 30th, 2023, our system has identified QQQ as a sell candidate, with a score of -1.00. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. While the stock has experienced some natural fluctuations, it currently stands at a loss of 0% since our initial sell candidate recommendation. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. For short-term traders, this presents a potential selling opportunity as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the ETF breaks above the top trend line at $392.37, it would indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 3.88% change over the next 3 months. This means there is a possible return between -6.70% and 4.82%. For the 12-month trend, there is a projected 42.64% change over the next year, with a potential return between 30.24% and 45.06%. This translates to a price range of $506.39 to $564.05 after a year. Our latest update on the QQQ ETF brings an important headline: QQQ ETF downgraded from buy candidate to sell candidate after Thursday's trading session. On Thursday, November 30th, 2023, the QQQ ETF experienced a decrease of -0.251% in price, dropping from $389.81 to $388.83. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.23%, ranging from a low of $385.82 to a high of $390.55. The price has been fluctuating during this period, with a 0.83% gain over the past 2 weeks. Although volume increased by 14 million shares on the last day, it happened alongside falling prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $19.54 billion worth of shares, totaling 50 million shares, were bought and sold. Looking back at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the ETF reached was $394.14, while the lowest price was $259.73. Currently, the price is 1.35%, equivalent to $5.31, below the 52-week high, and 4.86%, equivalent to $19.88, below the all-time high reached on November 22, 2021, when the price reached $408.71. Here are the signals identified for the QQQ ETF. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal for the QQQ ETF. However, the long-term average indicates a buy signal. Since the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for this ETF, which gives a positive forecast for the stock. If the ETF continues to gain, it may face resistance around $389.43 from the short-term moving average. On the other hand, if the ETF falls, it may find support around $371.24 from the long-term average. A break above the short-term average will indicate a buy signal, while a break below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also suggests a buy signal. However, there are some negative signals that may impact the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, resulting in a 0.489% decline so far. It is likely to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor this ETF for further updates. Today, I want to share with you some other signals that you might find interesting for your stock investments. One signal to consider is the moving average convergence divergence, which recently gave a buy signal. Another signal to look at is the pivots, which indicated a sell signal 8 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator also provided a buy signal 11 days ago. In terms of short-term moving averages, there was a sell signal 2 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 21 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 18 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart to see what it tells us. Based on the short moving average, there was a buy signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average also provided a buy signal 20 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. For more signals and information, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the ETF QQQ has some key support levels. Currently, there is support just below today's level at $364.70 and $359.97. It's important to note that when an ETF tests a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If this support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In the case of QQQ, the next support levels would be at $364.70, $359.97, and $343.66. QQQ has average movements during the day and good trading volume, which puts its risk level considered to be medium. Looking at the recent data, the ETF moved $4.73 between its daily high and low, representing a 1.23% change. Over the past week, the average daily volatility of QQQ has been 0.86%. Before we discuss the trading levels for QQQ, it's important to understand some fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower PE ratio could indicate a lower expectation for the company's future or an undervalued stock, which may present a buying opportunity. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for QQQ. If the market is moving upwards, there's a significant resistance level for QQQ at $389.81. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering a position. For those who already have a position, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the flip side, if the market is experiencing a downturn, QQQ has its first support level at $364.70. If this support level holds strong, it could present a great entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. For this ETF, we recommend setting the stop loss at $379.08, which represents a decrease of 2.51%. This particular ETF experiences moderate daily fluctuations, resulting in a medium level of risk. The RSI 14, which measures the relative strength of the asset, is currently at 81, indicating a significant increase in risk. We have also identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 7 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good investment? While the QQQ ETF shows several positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. Instead, we recommend considering it as a hold candidate, or even accumulating more shares, as we await further developments. However, we must note that there are some small weaknesses in the technical picture, leading us to downgrade our analysis conclusion from a buy to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and recent movements, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Friday, December 1st, we anticipate QQQ to open with a decrease of $0.430, starting the day's trading at $388.40. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that the information provided by StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. You are responsible for your own investment decisions and hold full accountability. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest, where we provide you with valuable insights into the stock market. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on a particular stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have for the ETF we're analyzing? Let's engage in a meaningful discussion. If you find our content helpful, we'd appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Our goal is to support you in your trading journey and help you achieve success. Thank you for being a part of our community. We hope you have a wonderful day and wish you successful trading. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.